guys! I'm really excited to show you the changes that has happened that I've been fixing and renovating. I want to show you everything that I'm holding right here. Swatches, like paint swatches, swatches for blinds. We're gonna be picking colors, so can you help me choose? You didn't see this before. It's meant to stand out and it's going to be an accent piece and it's going to be in an antique white finish. It's going to look so much better than what it did before. This is storage. Store things like plates, glasses, placemats. I want to have like a lot of antique white, a lot of wood, some iron, black iron, and I'm so excited. Oh, I want to show you this dining table. Remember I was telling you about the game table? I bought this from Facebook Marketplace. It's second-hand, but it's made of Nara, which is really good wood. Needs some work on the legs. Like there are a few bumps and a few scratches, but that's what makes the piece very interesting. I don't know if you saw those hideous curtains before, but now they're removed and I need to replace them with blinds. Curtains do look pretty and they make the place look soft, but maintenance-wise, I always prefer roll-up shades or roll-up blinds because the kids and I have allergies and have asthma. Fabric collects more dust, especially if it's near the window. But if I use roller blinds, I can just easily vacuum this with a vacuum cleaner and you don't have to take the whole thing down. And I picked this for the living room. It's more basic, and once I have this filled with furniture and with decor, there's gonna be so much things going on, so much color going on that I prefer to keep that one white. I have swatches from Davis Paint here. I need to select the top coat that will go on most of the walls. What you see right now is the whitest of all whites. It's the primer. It's the first coat, right? The base coat. But we need the final top coat. These two are pretty close to each other. This is a little bit yellowish. This one is kind of gray and muddy, so I don't really like that for the overall wall color. These ones are kind of brown. I might go with either this or this one. And if I put them together with the material for the blinds, then it still works pretty well. I want to keep the ceiling fans, changing the whole look of the fan by changing the bulbs. So I'm taking the glass thing out and I bought different kinds of bulbs. This is my first choice. It's sort of like a retro bulb where you can see the filaments inside and I'm liking it. The whole color is also really good and nice. Hi! What bulb do you like better? Do you like this one or that one? Frosted plain globe, which also looks really good, right? I think it will be nice for the bedrooms.
I like that one better than that one. It looks so fancy.
This looks fancier? Okay, yeah, I think this might go with the bedrooms. So another thing that we wanted to update were the light switches. These are really kind of old, although they really work. My husband doesn't like it. Pick this one, which is a little bit on the dark side and a little bit on the modern side. But I love the color and I think it's gonna go well with all the wood and all the antique white going on. But kids always wake up so early. I wanna keep the room really dark. I can always wake them up for school anyways, right? And so I want to install blackout blinds so that the room is really dark and you sleep better. The reason why I want to keep it beige is because they're gonna have so much color in the room because they will be hanging photos, artworks, their toys are so colorful already. If I want to change the look or like if they grow a little older and they want a different feel of the room, this is really still basic, so I don't have to change it anymore, and this will blend with whatever design theme or whatever design style they will want. The basic wall color will be the same as the living room, and that's what it's gonna look like. Still very warm, neutral, but homey. For the master bedroom blinds, we decided to put a little bit more color and go on the darker side. So we picked this one. Still have the same basic white color, so I think it still works really well. We've actually been painting the walls. We've been working, well, I've been working really hard, and every now and then the kids have been helping. This is me actually trying to get a workout in. I'm just kidding. I'm fixing the mess that my kids made. This paint dries up and it's uneven. We're gonna be in big trouble. I hope you enjoyed all the changes and the updates that I've showed you that has occurred in the past 2 weeks. Don't forget to stay tuned because you're gonna see lots of exciting changes in the next episode. You'll see the bathrooms, and then our furniture might actually be coming in. The lights, the ceiling fans will all be fixed already. So don't forget to like and subscribe.